Alright, so just get back from the good old fuckfest they call Lowe's. Don't mind the mess. Shit. There we go. I was just looking for a 21 and these guys, they just ain't. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? It's always gone. Oh, here it is. Okay. And I was looking for a 17 socket, or an 18 socket actually, and a 21 wrench, just to get my my O2 sensor off. I just wanted to buy the wrench, but unlike the fucks at Home Depot, these guys don't sell the wrenches individually. I completely forgot what I was talking about. I went to take a shit and it's been 3 days since I got these tools and now I need to use them. So what was I talking about again? All right, tools. Let's open these fuckers. Oh, it comes with. Oh God, they're fucking everywhere. Mother. They're not even labeled. They're not even labeled. How am I supposed to know where it goes? This is a, what is this? This is a 19. That's the biggest one. What is this? This is a 15. Wow, these are hard to tell what these are. This is a 10. That's the smaller size. This is a 14. So that goes there, that goes there. Okay, and this is an 11, I presume. Wow. Okay. So this goes here then. This is a 9. So it goes there. All right. There we go. We got crafsmen bullshit. This isn't numbered, so it's bad. I have to like get a permanent marker and like write them there, I guess, or something. All right, let's get on to. Oh shit! Oh God, it sounds so thrown in there. My wrench drawer isn't ready for all of this bullshit. Fuck. Please don't make a mess. Oh, it's in the box inside of a box. The good old, oh God. Oh, they're not even wrapped. Amazing. Great. Oh, well, here's the fucking wrench I need. God damn it. Thanks for, that's not my wrench drawer. Thanks for not selling these individually. Thanks. That's what I needed right there. This is my wrench drawer. As you can see, a bunch of incomplete sets, a whole lot of shit that's not fucking wrenches. Alright, so this is a 12, so it goes here, I think. My 11, I lost my 10 Crowfoot's wrench, so I stole one from a buddy. Pretty sure this is a 10 at least. Craftsman in these, like, small-ass letters. Like, why? Fuck. What was the point of that? Why'd you do that? I don't know what this mysterious-ass liquid is inside of my wrench drawer, and it's concerning. Whatever. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab all of these. Wow, 1/18th or 16th actually. This is pretty beefy. I'm not sure what the fuck I'd use that, but hey, now I have it. Jesus Christ. Okay, this is a 1/18th, and then all these smaller fuckers. There. Boom. I have wrenches now. Well, that's it. That's it for the video. Bye.